Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Al Buffalo here. Just wanted to come before this video. This is our Red River Rally video, and as you all know by now, there was a tragic shooting up there. Thank God we just left the rally at 5 o'clock, and according to news reports, that's about when the shooting started. So thank God we weren't there, but I did feel a need to come before you on this video and kind of give you some of my initial thoughts and on the rally itself. The rally was a great rally up until that point. Lots of people, lots of bikes, lots of families, lots of clubs for sure, and for the most part, everything was fine. I always keep my head on the swivel when we go to rallies, and didn't really get a sense of any impending danger or doom. And but you know, it's unfortunate, and it puts a big black eye on bikers and the biker community. But you know, as I was putting this video together, I couldn't help but think about, you know, all the women and children that we saw at that rally, innocent bystanders and people that were there just to have a good time. And you know, and that's what this video is about, showing the good time right before the incident, because basically we left, and that was right at the end of me actually catching some footage. So all I have to say is, you know, pray for those families who lost people. Pray for the entire biker community, that we all, you know, are eventually, cooler minds will prevail, and you know, we can get back to all doing what we really enjoy, which is riding, hanging out at rallies, enjoying each other's company. You know, it's unfortunate this happened, and I appreciate everybody out there who reached out to us yesterday and today to make sure we were safe. And we were safe. All our friends and family members that were there as well, all made it safe. But you know, I hope you enjoy the video and look at the video as all the good that happened, as opposed to focusing on the bad. You know, that stuff will get ironed out and figured out, and justice will prevail, I guess. But you know, we as bikers in the biker community need to stick together and not allow this kind of stuff to happen at family events like this. I mean, this is Memorial Weekend, you know. It's a time of remembering our heroes, and it gets destroyed by some random act of violence. But enough of that. I don't want to get into that anymore. I'm saddened by the fact that it happened. It happened here in New Mexico, and it happened at my favorite rally. But you know, I choose to remember the good times we had. I had my daughter there for the first time she's ever been to a rally, and you know, we enjoyed it up until that point. So love you all. Hope you enjoy this video. Watch it knowing there's still good out there. There's still good people out there, and we love you all. Thanks for your thoughts and prayers. Hey everybody, Al Buffalo here. Just part of this Memorial Weekend. Before we even get to the rally, we come pay our respects at the Veterans Memorial You know, this is a great weekend, and a lot of times we forget the reason. I never served in the armed forces, but I have lots of friends who did, and this is a solemn time for them. So take a moment to find you a veteran and give them a hug and tell them you love them, because this is the day they remember their fallen brethren. This is the day we remember it. So get past the rallies, the motorcycles, the mattress sales, all that stuff that happens during Memorial Weekend, and take a moment to remember our vets, and not only our vets that are still alive, but the vets that paid the ultimate price. So remember that. God bless them. Continue to pray for our vets. Tell them you love them.
Right. As it is, meetings we've had for a run. So the history of this one is to honor our brother Reno and all fallen brothers. Reno loved this area, he loved riding with his brothers, and he loved this club. Jonesy was with him the day Reno passed, and Jonesy has been the driving force behind establishing the Freedom's Run. In memory of Reno. One of the areas that I have felt most pride in our club is the genuine love and camaraderie brothers feel for each other in our club. Over the past 12 months, I've ridden the four corners of the United States and made an effort to visit all our AOs repeatedly. I've been pleased to notice that there's been a tremendous amount of love amongst our brothers for the club and the pride that we all share. I've witnessed empathy, compassion.
Yeah, they're having a service of Marines. We don't want to interrupt that by filming it. Have some respect. But again, before you go out and celebrate this long holiday weekend, take a moment, love on a veteran, give them a hug, because they're going through some hard times, because they're remembering their brothers. And we do this every year before we even get to the rally. This is on the way to the rally. We stop here, pay our respects, and love on some people that look like need to be loved on. And then we get to the rally, and then we get to enjoy the celebration and the freedom that they provided for us. So if you're a veteran out there, we love you.
Heading back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day.
Wow. Red River Rally. It's raining. This buffalo ain't happy because it's raining and it's cold. Tons of bikes. Let me get this camera turned around. There you go. You can walk in the rain with us. Is that light on?
Yes, it's green.
But hard to see because it's raining, but this is about a 1.5 mile long strip. Nothing but bikes and rally goers, and we don't care if it's raining or not. Except maybe that lady did. So yeah, we just got here a little bit. Hit rain coming in, cleared up, and then it's raining again. But usually up here, these mountain tops in New Mexico, it'll pass, sun will break, and we'll be good again. Looks like a really good turnout this year. We weren't really sure because the weather was iffy, so. But we'll bring you some more sights and sounds here in a bit.
Did you want to cross? Over
The
here?
crosswalk.
That's what I'm talking about, Albuquerque.
Yeah. What's going on? I was looking for you up there.
I came down here. They got a smoker going with chicken.
Nice. How you doing?
Nice to see you. See ya.
Tell Bill hi.
I will. Hi, Bill. Get
Miss
better,
you.
buddy.
Miss ya.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting town. Yeah, on a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine,
taking a picture of a black Harley. Wow.
Like all the other ones. Some of the pictures of all the bikes.
It's the sign of the times, bitter taste of your lies. No one got what they came for. So you think you can cheat? Give us all we can.
Oh, Mr. Buffalo, how are you?
What's up? Who are you? Let me get my.
How you doing, bud?
How you doing?
Good, good.
Well, YouTube family, that's it. 2023 Red River Memorial Day Rally. Still raining on us here, but ain't stopping the fun. And hope you enjoyed it. And we'll talk to you guys later. See ya. Back, people.
He's a fucking liar, don't listen to this.
Yeah.